Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to talk to you about pricing fundamentals of derivatives, and we're going to look at no arbitrage pricing. So, first, let's understand arbitrage condition and riskless gain. So, arbitrage itself is riskless gain. That is, we try to find conditions in the market that allow us to make use of any mispricing and make a gain without taking any risk. So for derivatives, it's possible to do so by creating two or more portfolios with the same payoff date. When markets are imperfect, one portfolio can be bought at a certain price and the other can be sold at a higher price. So whenever there are imperfections in the market, two similar portfolios which have the same payoff date ought to have, along with the same payoff amounts, should also have the same price. They should command the same price. But what happens is when there are imperfections in the price, one portfolio could be sold at a much higher price, or at a higher price itself, and thus a riskless gain can be earned. Eventually, markets correct themselves, allowing no such riskless gain. Transaction costs, however, can cause certain pricing differences, but the gain from arbitrage in this case would be lower than such costs and therefore automatically prevented. Hedged portfolio and no arbitrage pricing. Now, a portfolio created by buying an asset and going short on a forward contract would be known as a hedged portfolio. In this case, we assume that we know the payoff is certain. Thus, the present value of the portfolio payoff should equal its current value. This can be used to price the derivative in the current portfolio. Therefore, we have the small equation below, that is, asset position at time 0 plus the short position in a forward contract at time 0 equals the payoff on the asset at time t, which is the future date, and payoff on the short forward at time t discounted at the risk-free rate of return. Well, that covers this lecture, and I will see you in the next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.